Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. Now for our first DIY. For this DIY, I used this little picture frame I got from Dollar General. I thought it was the perfect size for tier tray decor. I used a utility knife and scored around the edge on the back of the frame to loosen up the glue, and then just simply push the back out of the frame. I then used a box knife to pry the fish off and put the fish to the side so I could use it on another project later. I used Waverly plaster chalk paint to paint everything. I found this cut file on Design Bundles. I sized it in Design Space and cut it using my Cricut. I applied the vinyl to my picture. I wanted the sign to be double-sided. I found the scrapbook paper in my stash and decided to cut out the edge with the birds on it. I used a glue stick to apply the scrapbook paper to the picture. To attach the board back inside of the frame, I applied hot glue around the inside edge of the frame and inserted the board back in it. I then applied Mod Podge to the scrapbook paper side. I used a ruler and found the center of the frame and attached it to this candlestick using hot glue. I painted the candlestick with the same paint I had used on the frame and then distressed it all with Waverly elephant chalk paint and a chippy brush. And just look at how stinking cute this little tier tray sign turned out. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!